Another batch of Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra features has been revealed by leaker Amit Quater, giving us even more potential reasons to pay attention to Samsung's rumored upcoming flagship phone. For example, Quater says one addition to the Galaxy S24's feature set is the ability to circle items on screen to search them. It sounds like a similar feature or possibly the same feature that was found in the Android 14 Key PR2 beta, so presumably this is where Samsung got the basic code from. We assume you'll have to enable something before circling an object like calling up Google Assistant, but it sounds like a nice streamlining of something many users will come across in using their phone day to day. On top of that, there may also be an upgrade to the Samsung Voice Recorder app that will let it differentiate between up to 10 speakers when recording a conversation. Google Pixel users already have the excellent Recorder app that fulfills much the same purpose, but if Samsung can get this upgraded feature right, then perhaps it could beat Google when it comes to transcriptions. In another tweet, Quater also explains how the phone will be able to write passages of text based on a prompt and even summarize it for you. Also, the single take function, which grabs multiple types of photos and videos in a single tap of the shutter button for you to sort through later, will apparently work up to 10x zoom. Single take on the Galaxy S23 series only works at standard magnification, so offering use of the telephoto camera on the new phone will make this far more versatile. All of these join the other features we're expecting as part of Samsung's One UI 6.1, like AI wallpaper generation, photo editing, note summarizing, and in-call translation. We have heard that Samsung will push the Galaxy S24's iSmarts powered by its Samsung GOS generative AI model hard when it launches and markets the phone, and from what the rumors tell us, there's certainly a lot of new AI-powered stuff to shout about. We just hope this doesn't come at the expense of updating other key features like the cameras or display. We are expecting the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Ultra to launch early next year, with the most specific rumors claiming January 17th will be the big day. Whenever it does appear, we'll be jumping in to try out all of these features, assuming they're A, real, and B, make it to launch as soon as we get our hands on the sample. As we eagerly anticipate the potential launch on January 17th, what AI-powered feature are you most excited about trying out on the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and do you think these innovations will set a new standard in the smartphone industry? Do let us know in the comment section. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.